a keyboard instrument. So, there are 4 different types of keyboard instruments. There's 3 right here because the bags are down at the concert. This is your bell kit, or also a glockenspiel. They're metal bars. The number 1 rule is that whatever mallet you use is not harder than the bar material. So technically you could use a yarn mallet because a yarn mallet is a softer material than metal. But for a glockenspiel, you would use typically a hard plastic, hard rubber, or a brass mallet, which you would not use that in a marimba because this is wood. At a glockenspiel, you want to hit in the middle of a bar, okay, and then to dampen, just like do this, and then you put your arms over it, like this, dampen, okay? So, you want to try that? Oh yeah, it's like over here. Okay. And then just put your arms, yep, just like that. So, pretty much, that's your glockenspiel. Alright, next we're going to go to the xylophone. Actually, before we get to the xylophone, we're going to talk about the vibraphone. The vibraphone is similar to the glockenspiel to where it has metal bars also. The vibraphone, you would use a cord mallet, which I do not have. It's kind of like a tighter yarn mallet. It's a little bit harder. The other thing with the vibraphone is that it has a pedal, much like what a piano would have. There's only 1 pedal. That allows the sound to resonate and stuff. And the way you would dampen a vibraphone is either with the pedal to stop the sound, or you would use your mallet. With the cord mallet, the mallets are more flexible, so when you dampen it, it gives you a little leeway, I guess, so you could dampen it. The vibraphones were originally used in jazz, and they made their way to percussion. Okay, so this is your xylophone. The bars for a xylophone are rosewood, which I'm pretty sure is rosewood, and or synthetic material. For a xylophone, you could use a plastic mallet, a rubber mallet, or a yarn mallet. Yeah, like a yarn mallet sounds good in low register, but in the high register, it won't speak. Xylophones, unlike the glockenspiel, you can either hit in the middle of the bar, or you can hit on the edge of the bar. Where the cord goes under the bar, it's called the noble spot. You don't want to hit there, okay? So middle, edge. Try that. See, now try it in the noble spot. Yeah, can you see how that's dead? Doesn't sound. Okay. So that's your xylophone. Now we're going to go to the marimba. Your marimba is your lowest voice of the percussion. That's kind of high, and then that's really low. For marimba, you would have to use many different kinds of mallets. Just like on the xylophone where your high didn't speak with this yarn, it doesn't speak so well with this yarn. So you would use a harder yarn mallet. Marimba, you would only use a hard mallet though, because it's wood and it has a curve underneath. And so especially if you get down low, if you hit it with a plastic or something, you could potentially crack the wood. Okay. Yeah, so it's your lowest keyboard. So, and it's the same thing. You can either play at the end or in the middle, which is not in the middle spot. Good? Okay. Now we're going to talk about your grip. So, this is a match grip. Okay. So you would, it's like a snare drum grip, almost. And sure it's like 1/3 of the way. So bring it down just so you, yeah. And it's just over a smooth. So it's like a basketball. Just, yeah. I'm trying to it's the same thing with your right hand. Yeah, no, like loosen up on your 3 fingers. Yeah. But keep your fulcrum nice and tight. Yeah. Just, yeah. And your palm is spaced down. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. You notice how, like, once you move up in the middle of the bar, like the note kind of changed? Yeah, that's because you're getting too close to your note spot. So make sure that you stay in the middle. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna give you a play a little something. Okay. Another thing with keyboard instruments is that you always want to alternate your sticking. So like on this song, how you have like F, D, D, like you would play F, D, D. So it'd be like right, left, right. And you would try to get that throughout the whole song. Okay. Okay. So if you've never played one of these before, it's just like a piano. The notes, so this is a C. So you have your sets of 2 and sets of 3. Okay. So your C is always like right under your sets of 2, like to the left. Okay. So with that being said, this is a what is it?
F, D, E, F.
You have
flat.
C, yeah. So you have C, B, E flat. All right. So your highest note, we're playing 18. So your highest note in that is an F, and your lowest note is
B flat.
yeah. So this is your range right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is whenever you play, you want your stand like in the middle of your range, and you want it down low like this, so you can see the keyboard, the music, and the conductor all at the same time. But you want to focus more on the music and just see the keyword out of your peripheral field vision. Okay. So you think you can somewhat read this?
I can try.
Okay, we'll go really slow. Don't worry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1. You're right. It's a D.
Oh, wait.
That's a D. Yeah. Okay. So start on your 4 C's. 1, 2, 3, 1. Good job. Okay, we're gonna move that again. Okay. Remember with the accidentals and stuff? Like, you don't have to focus too much on hitting this. If you want to, you just hit the edge. So it might make it a little easier. So
Yeah, okay.
So where you would have like
Sorry
F,
about that.
D, and E flat, you just
So you said I have to alternate, right?
it's
What about
better to
like,
alternate.
what about like at the end of the measure, like after the next note?
If you can, I would still try to alternate.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got the E flat? All right. 1, 2, 3, 1.
you're still trying to pound the notes. But you look like a robot. You're just like, oh, what's this note? See? Like you're just like poking at it. Like keep it fluid. Okay, last time. Alright, so remember, keep it fluid.